Before pushback.
Headset activities are conducted using wireless connection to the aircraft. Mandate is regardless of weather conditions and is applicable at all time. Make sure steering bypass pin securely locked with fingers checking. Scan SPB QR code after SPB is installed. Check safety chocks availability, and inform tractor driver in case of shortage. Check all the doors are closed and locked, and confirm air bridge and ground equipment detached from the aircraft. Make sure no FOD around the aircraft. Check aircraft and wing tips movement clearance. Confirm NLG steering bypass pin is properly installed and is connected to the wireless adapter with an elastic lanyard. Communicate with flight crew for doors indication like this.
Cockpit to ground. Confirm all doors checked closed and locked.
Ground to cockpit. All doors checked closed and locked.
Nose chocks could be removed for towbarless tractor. Do not enter the red line zone of the towing tractor. Before connecting towbar, recommend to alert flight crew be aware though headset that towbar will be connected in case noise generated during operation. Confirm correct type of towbar connected. When the aircraft is ready for pushback, headset man will stand by on the headset near the NLG for the flight crew to relay the pushback route instruction and ground movement clearance. Get clearance signal from flight crew and reply instruction.
Cockpit to ground. Confirm clear to pressurize.
Ground to cockpit. Cleared to pressurize.
Cockpit to ground. Cleared to pushback.
Ground to cockpit. Cleared to push. Confirmed parking brake release.
Cockpit to ground. All door checked closed.
Notify tractor driver and wing walker the pushback color. Confirm beacon lights on, release parking brake and remove chocks. In the event that chocks are jammed and cannot be removed, aircraft can be moved slightly in a direction to free the jammed chock. Ensure all chocks are removed just prior to pushback. Wait for wing walker to park the ground equipment, and confirm chock trolley and earthing cable are placed at designated area with trolley all brakes applied. Tractor driver confirm no chocks with headset man by this hand signal. And headset man will return with same signal to tractor to confirm all chocks are removed. Headset man to show the direction to move to tractor driver by fully stretch his arm to the direction of movement. End of Part 1.
Part 2. During pushback.
Wing walker will provide wing tip clearance. All crew members, wing walkers and headset man must walk with aircraft until clear of bay area. They must remain within visual range of the tractor driver so that hand signal for clearance is always visible. Ensure minimum distance of 3 meters is always maintained between crew member and the moving aircraft and tractor. Crew members must never walk into the path of the aircraft wheels while aircraft is moving. Headset man should pay attention to the color of arrows on ground to understand which direction is red, blue, or green, in order to stop the tractor in case wrong pushing direction revealed. Keep monitor aircraft, engine clearance, surrounding and tow bar shear pin indication flag. If tow bar shear pin sheared, notify flight crew for the situation. And ask EIC for inspection and make sure logbook write up the issue. The tractor driver shall notify the headset man on extra restrictions whenever he believes the condition of the airport apron area surface, or the direction, strength of the wind, or prevailing weather condition, can present an unacceptable risk during pushback. Stop the pushback if the flight crew start more than the allowed number of engines. Request that the engines are shut down as required before proceeding. Engine start conversation with flight crew like this.
Cockpit to ground. Confirm clear to start engine 2.
Ground to cockpit. Cleared to start engine 2.
Cockpit to ground. Starting number 2.
Ground to cockpit. Clear to start number 2. End of Part 2. Part 3. After pushback.
Confirm aircraft fully stop and make sure it stop at correct position. When the aircraft and the tractor have come to a complete stop, the driver will advise the headset man that the tractor park brakes is set by giving him a thumbs-up signal. Headset man will inform cockpit that pushback is complete and request them to apply the aircraft brakes with this conversation.
Ground to cockpit. Pushback complete. Set parking brake.
Cockpit to ground. Parking brake set.
Engine start if applicable. To prevent inadvertent forward movement of the aircraft, place one chock slightly forward of the nose gear. Remember, this is a zero-tolerance item for no safety chock apply at the nose gear while tow bar is disconnected. Therefore, headset man is the one who fully responsible, 1, to ensure safety chock is available prior the aircraft push out and 2. Safety chock is positioned at the front of nose gear prior to disconnect the tow bar. For tow bar disconnection, disconnect tow bar from tractor first. Then from the aircraft side. Remember, do not stand too close to the tow bar. The tow bar can fall on your legs if the tow bar support wheels collapse. For towbarless tractor, again, to prevent inadvertent forward movement of the aircraft. Place one chock slightly forward of the nose gear after the tractor move away. Get clear signal from flight crew as follow.
Cockpit to ground. Start is complete. You are cleared to disconnect. Roger.
Ground to cockpit. Roger. All ground equipment is cleared. Steering pin removed. Stand by for hand signals on left, right.
Cockpit to ground. Roger. Signals on the left, right. Goodbye.
Headset man remove nose gear steering bypass pin and wireless adapter with elastic lanyard connection as a set. Never reactivate NLG steering while tow bar is still connected, as it may swing and cause serious injury. Wing walker, remove and hold nose landing gear safety chock. Proceed and stand by at taxi lane side, displays SBP and give clearance by thumbs up signal to flight crew. Stand by at aircraft wing tip until aircraft has passed their standing position and leave. Confirm chock trolley and earthing cable are placed at designated area with trolley all brakes applied.
End of Part 3.